Perfect competition. Let's see at the perfect competition. It refers to a market condition where there are large number of buyers and sellers dealing in a homogeneous product at a price fixed by the market. According to Mrs. John Robinson, perfect competition prevails when the demand for the output of each producer is perfectly elastic. Let's see at the features of perfect competition. First, large number of sellers and buyers. Second, homogeneous product. Third, free entry and exit. Fourth, single price. Fifth, perfect knowledge of market. Sixth, perfect mobility of factors of production. Seventh, absence of transport cost. Eighth, no government intervention. Let's see at the price determination under perfect competition. जैसे कि हमने ये पहले ही देख लिया है कि प्राइस और डिमांड इनवर्सली रिलेटेड है and the relationship between the price and supply is direct. Therefore, the interaction of demand and supply determine price of the commodity in perfect competition. This is known as equilibrium price. Demand and supply are essential to determine the equilibrium price in the market. This is explained with the help of the following schedule and diagram. In first column, we take price of apples in rupees. In second column, we take quantity demanded in kg. In third column, we take quantity supplied in kg. And in the last column, we put relationship between demand and supply. जैसे कि हमें ये पता है कि प्राइस और डिमांड दोनों इनवर्सली रिलेटेड है, इसलिए जब प्राइस कम यानी कि 100 रुपीस होगी तब क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड ज्यादा यानी कि 5000 kgs होगी और जब प्राइस बढ़कर 200 रुपीस हो जाएगी तब क्वांटिटी डिमांड और कम होकर 4000 kgs हो जाएगी. ऐसे ही at price 300 rupees, 3000 kgs of apples are demanded. At price 400 rupees, 2000 kgs of apples are demanded. And at price 500 rupees, 1000 kgs of apples are demanded. Similarly, as we also know that the price and supply have direct relationship between them, जैसे जैसे प्राइस बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे क्वांटिटी सप्लाइड भी इंक्रीज होगा. Therefore, when price is 100 rupees, 1000 kgs of apples are supplied. When price is 200 rupees, 2000 kgs of apples are supplied. And when the price is 300 rupees, 3000 kgs of apples are supplied. And so on. From this table, some conclusions can be drawn. At price 100 and 200 rupees, we can see this very clearly that demand is greater than supply, that is, DD is greater than SS. At price 300 rupees, quantity demanded and quantity supplied become equal, that is 3000 kgs. This is the stage of equilibrium when demand and supply become equal, that is DD is equal to SS. Hence, 300 rupees becomes the equilibrium price. At price 400 and 500 rupees, we can see this very clearly that demand is less than supply, that is DD is less than SS. Let's understand the process of price determination by the following figure. Here, x-axis represents quantity demanded and quantity supplied, whereas y-axis represents the price. As we discussed that, the intersecting point of quantity demanded and quantity supplied is the point where price is determined. So, first we will draw the demand curve. As we know, at price 100 rupees, 5000 kgs of apples are demanded. At price 200 rupees, 4000 kgs of apples are demanded. At price 300 rupees, 3000 kgs of apples are demanded, and so on. Here, DD is the downward sloping demand curve, which shows inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. Now we will draw the supply curve. As we know that at price 100 rupees, 1000 kgs of apples are demanded. At price 200 rupees, 2000 kgs of apples are demanded. At price 300 rupees, 3000 kgs of apples are demanded, and so on. Here, SS is the upward sloping supply curve which shows direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. As we can see in the graph that E is the equilibrium point where DD and SS curve intersect each other. Accordingly, 300 rupees is the equilibrium price and 3000 kgs is the equilibrium quantity demanded and supplied. This equilibrium price is determined by market demand and market supply.